Morning student, I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a mathematics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajda. Student, today I am taking the exercise number 9.3 of chapter number 9, class 8 mathematics, algebraic expression and identities. Question number first. Okay. Multiply of the expression multiplication, that means a find between the two or more than two quantities. First one, 4p multiply by q plus r. 4p multiply by q plus r. Question number first, 4p multiply by q plus r, that means 4p multiply by q and 4p multiply by r. तो कैसे लिखेंगे? 4p multiply by q, 4p multiply by r. Okay students, so p and q, p multiply by q, then we getting the pq and 4qp into r will be equal to pr. आप बोलेंगे सर कुछ भी समझ नहीं आया। ठीक है, जब भी हमारे पास वेरिएबल होते हैं, वेरिएबल्स दैट मीन्स अल्फाबेट ए बी सी डी एक्स वाई जेड एंड सो ऑन, अगर जो दोनों वेरिएबल सेम हैं, ठीक है, अगर जो दोनों वेरिएबल सेम है, एक्स टू द पावर एम इंटू एक्स टू द पावर एन विल बी इक्वल ऑफ एक्स टू द पावर एम प्लस एन। ओके स्टूडेंट, अगर जो दोनों वेरिएबल सेम है दैट मीन्स बेस आर सेम, सो पावर विल बी एडेड। ठीक है, बट हियर द वेरिएबल्स आर डिफरेंट, सो राइट सिमिलरली पी क्यू पी आर। स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी टेक द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन of question number first. We have to multiply between the AB and A minus B. AB multiply by the A minus B. So AB multiply by the first term and AB also multiply by the B. Okay student, AB, A similar to A. Here power of A will be equal of 1 and power of A will be equal of 1. 1 plus 1 will be equal of 2, such that A square B. Okay, here the power of B will be equal of 1 and power of B will be equal of 1. 1 into 1, या मैं बोल सकता हूँ 1 plus 1 will be equal of 2. So A B square, that is a second answer of question number second. Question number first, question number second. Shall we start with the question number third? A plus B multiply with the 7a square b square. That means we have to multiply a plus b by 7a square b square. Student, a multiply by this 7a square b square and plus b also multiply by this. Okay student, now 7 1 ja 7, a to the power 1 and a to the power 2 will be equal of a to the power 3 and b square, plus now 7 is a single number, a square is a single quantity, and b to the power 1 and b to the power 2 will be equal of b to the power 3. Okay student, अगर जो दोनों वेरिएबल सेम है तो ही मल्टीप्लाई होगा, अदरवाइज दोनों वेरिएबल को ऐसा का ऐसा लिख दिया जाता है। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर्थ, ए स्क्वायर 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4a. स्टूडेंट, हियर ए स्क्वायर विल बी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4a and 9 will be multiplied by 4a. a square multiply by 4a and 9 multiply by 4a. In the case of first multiplication, number will be multiplied by number, that means 4 1 ja 4. a to the power 1, a to the power 2 will be equal of a to the power 3. 9 4 ja 36. A is a single quantity. Okay student, solution of the question number fourth. Now we taking the next question, last question of question number first, question number fifth, मतलब first का fifth. PQ plus QR plus RP multiply by 0. PQ plus QR plus RP multiply by 0. We have the single quantity any number, any quantity will be multiplied by 0 will be equal of 0. आप देख लीजिए, कोई भी नंबर हो, 0 से मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो 0 ही आता है. 2 into 0 will be equal of 0. 3 into 0 will be equal of 0. Any number will be multiplied by 0, then we getting the 0. Okay, student. Now we start the next question of exercise number 9.3. Question number second. We have to multiply. मैंने लिखा नहीं है. Same question. We have to multiply between the polynomials a into b plus c plus d. We have to multiply a with b plus c plus d. That means a multiply by b multiply by c and multiply by d. So a multiply by b, a multiply by c and a multiply by d. Okay, student. There is the another solution of the question number first. Now last question, x plus y minus 5 multiply by the 5xy. Student ध्यान से देखेंगे, these into these and these into these both are equal. That means 1 into 2 and 2 into 1 both are equal. But multiply में हम जो क्वांटिटी छोटी होती है उसको आगे लिखना चाहिए, ठीक है, ताकि हमको थोड़ा सा इजी मिले. These multiply by these, then these and finally these. So 5xy will be multiplied by x, 5xy will be multiplied by y, and finally 5xy will be multiplied by 5. Okay, student. Here x will be multiplied by x, then we getting the x square y. Here y will be multiplied with the y, then we getting the 5xy square. And finally number will be multiplied by number, then we getting the 25xy. Okay, student, that is the solution related to question number first and second. Student, now we are taking the next question of the question number second. P multiply with the 6p square minus 7p plus 5. Okay, student, P multiply with the 6p square minus 7p plus 5. In the case of the multiplication, firstly p multiply by this, then this, then this. That means a p will be multiplied by 6p square minus p multiply by 7p and finally p multiply by 5. Then we getting 6 p into p to the power 1 and p to the power 2 will be equal of 3. Okay, 7 p to the power 1 and p to the power 1 will be equal of p to the power 2, and finally 5 into p will be equal of 5p. That is the answer for the question number third. Now we start with the question number fourth. We have to multiply these and these. That means 4 p square q square will be multiplied by the p square minus q square. That means we have to multiply 4p square q square by this, then by q square. So p square and 4p square q square will be multiplied by q square. Simple fundamental theory related to multiplication. P will be multiplied by the p to the power 2 and p to the power 2 will be equal of p to the power 4. Okay, student, here q power 2 and q power 2 will be equal of power 4 of q. I hope, student, you getting the proper solution related to question number first. Now we take the question number fifth. The demand of question a plus b plus c multiply by abc. जब हम किसी दो का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो जो छोटी टर्म होती है उसको आगे लिखना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा इजी होता है. a plus b plus c, we have to multiply these, then these, then after these. So abc multiply by a, abc multiply by b, abc multiply by c, such that a into a will be equal of a square bc. b into b, that means b to the power 2. Okay, student, and in the case of the c into c, देखिए मैंने बार बार बोला, in the case of the multiplication same variable multiply with the same variable. A and B as it is, C into C will be equal of C square. Okay student, I hope you getting the proper solution related to question number 3rd, question number 4th and question number 5th. Now we will start the next question, question number 3rd, another multiplication between the three factors, between the two factors. यहाँ पर जो भी नंबर थे वो देखिए अपॉन के फॉर्म में नहीं थे, ये रेशनल नंबर्स भी है, तो नया कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. ओके स्टूडेंट, ए स्क्वायर will be multiplied by these into these. तो ध्यान से देखिए स्टूडेंट, इन द केस ऑफ यहाँ पर जो आपको दिख रहा है पहले नंबर कितना है 1, यहाँ पर नंबर कितना है 2 और यहाँ पर नंबर कितना है 4. ओके, नंबर विल बी मल्टीप्लाई बाय द नंबर, देन आफ्टर a to the power 2, a to the power 22 and a to the power 26. Student, we know about the property of x to the power m, x to the power n, x to the power p, कितने भी हो बेस सेम, सो पावर विल बी एडेड m plus n plus p. Okay student, 1 into 2 will be equal of 2 and 2 into 4 will be equal of 8. a to the power 2 plus 22 plus 26 will be equal of 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 will be equal of 0. Carry 1, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 will be equal of 5, such that required solution 8 a to the power 50. Okay student, now we moving with the second question of the question number 3rd. We have to multiply between the 2 by 3 xy and minus 9 by 10 x square y. In the case number 2 by 3 multiply with the 9 by 10, number will be multiplied by number. Okay student, then first variable, that means x will be multiplied by x, and finally y will be multiplied by the y. Okay student, we select number with the number, x with the x and y with the y. So 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3 ja 9, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. So we getting the minus 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5, x to the power 2 and 1 become x to the power 3, and y to the power 1 and 2 become y to the power 3. Next question, question number 3rd of question number 3rd. Student, we have to multiply these into this. We select the numbers in the first bracket, minus 10 by 3 into 6 by 5. Okay, then after p into p to the power 3, then after q to the power 3 and the q, we select numbers in the first bracket, p in the second bracket and q in the third bracket. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. 2 into 2 will be equal of minus 4. Okay student, p to the power 1 and p to the power 3. We know that about the property x to the power m into x to the power n. X to the power m into x to the power n will be equal of x to the power m plus n, such that p to the power 1 and p to the power 3 will be equal of p to the power 4. And here q to the power 3 and q to the power 1 will be equal of q to the power 4. I hope student you getting the proper solution related to question number 3rd. Hi student, now we are taking the 4th question. Here 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3, then find the value for x will be equal of 3. Student, 3x 4x minus 5 plus 3, putting x will be equal of 3, such that 3 into 3 x replaced by 3, 4 into 3 minus 5 plus 3. Okay student, 3 into 3 will be equal of 9, 4 into 3 equal to 12 minus 5 plus 3. 9 into 12 minus 5 will be equal of 7, and 7 into 9, that means 63. 63 plus 3 will be equal of 66. Okay student, now we taking the second part of question, when x will be equal of 1 by 2. We have polynomial 3x 4x minus 5 plus 3, putting x will be equal of 1 by 2, such that 3 into 1 by 2, 4 into 1 by 2 minus 5 plus 3, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, such that 3 by 2. So 2 1 are 2. 2 minus 5 plus 3. Student, 3 by 2 into plus minus 5 minus 2 will be equal of minus 3 plus 3 plus minus 9 by 2 and 3 by 1. Simple LCM between them. 9 1 are 9 and 2 into 3 will be equal of 6 plus minus, then we getting the minus 3 by 2. Okay, student. Now we take the next question. Here a will be equal of 0, a will be equal of 1 and a will be equal of minus 1. Three different situation for the same polynomial. Here polynomial a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. We have to put the value of small a will be equal of 0 such that a replaced by 0, a square plus a plus 1. 0 into anything will be equal of 0 and 0 plus 5 will be equal of 5. That is the first answer. Now we take same polynomial a square plus a plus 1 plus 5, but now we putting a will be equal of 1 such that student 1 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. Okay, a replaced by the 1. 1 into anything will be equal of anything. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be equal of 3 and 3 plus 5 will be equal of 8. The last question, a will be equal of minus 1. Here polynomial a square plus a plus 1 plus 5, but a replaced with the minus 1 such that minus 1 into minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 plus 1 and also plus 5. Okay, student, here minus 1 as a coefficient of the bracket, minus 1 square will be equal of plus 1 plus minus and plus 5. Positive 1 cancel by the negative 1. 1 into minus 1 will be equal of minus 1 plus 5 will be equal of 4. That is the solution of question number 4 of the exercise number 9.1. Student, now we take the next question of the exercise number 9.3. 8 between the polynomials. That means a p minus q plus q minus r plus r into r minus p. Student, p multiply by p, then we getting p square, p multiply by q, then we getting pq. Plus q into q will be equal of q square plus minus qr plus we getting the r square plus minus that means rp. Student, here both are the different variables. We take only arrangement p square plus q square plus r square minus pq minus qr minus rp. Okay, student, that is the solution for the question number 4 first. Now second part, 2x z minus x minus y plus z minus y plus x. Okay, student, now 2x multiply by z, 2x multiply by x, 2x multiply by y, 2x multiply by y, then we getting 2xy. Simple z minus y plus x. Arranging according to the order 2x square. सबसे पहले पावर 2 वाला लिखा, then plus 2xz minus 2xy. Simple x, then y, then z. I hope student you getting the proper solution related to questions of the exercise number 9.3, adding and product. Thank you so much to watching this YouTube channel of Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajuda. Student, please like, subscribe and also study from our channel.